As it please the court, my lord. Thank you, Mr. Kwabeni. Before we proceed where we left off yesterday, let us take a step back on one aspect that you spoke about. You said in 1998, which you said was the last time you saw Mr. Constable Zungu, you were in a second year of study, and I kept on saying standard 2, standard 2, standard 2. What did you mean when you said that you were in your second year at school, something like that?
Masingabuyela emuva ke umzana uGwabeni izolo umkathi ke ukhuluma ushilo ukuthi ugcina kwakho ukubonana naye uConstable Zungu kwako ngo1998 wawenza ke unyaka wesibili kodwa ke ukusho ngalendlela wathi wawenza i-second year wasibiza ke isikole manje ke advocate umnisi uthi yena ke njalo nje yena bekhuluma ngo-standard 2 kodwa wena uthe u-second year ubusho ukuthini mawusho ubusho kanjalo
mangithi second year
yebo
ngesikhathi kusafunda mina waphiwa ngo-second year.
Okay, when I said that during my school days it was referred to as the second year.
So was that your second year at school since you entered school? That is, you had your first year, meaning your very first year at school as a child, and then that was your second year at school.
Asibeke ngalendlela ke kwakuunyaka wakho wesibili esikoleni. Angithi awukhona unyaka wokuqala unyaka waqala ngawo esikoleni. Lo kwakuse unyaka wesibili usesikoleni.
Yeah.
That is correct.
Okay, no. Basically it wasn't standard 2.
Bekungasiyena standard 2. That was a standard.
Sasithi second year angifuni ukuphambanisa inkulumo yakho.
I don't want to twist my speech. What I said, it was being referred to as the second year.
Okay, I think that is understandable because, well, I don't know whether you also part of the old arrangement because there was sub A and sub B. So sub B was a second year at school, but nowadays there is grade 1. Actually, there is grade RR this nowadays. So I don't know when do they start at school. Those who still have babies that at that age, maybe they can explain.
Angazi ke noma nawe ke labayana abadala yini qala ke ngaphambilini kwakuno sub A no sub B angazi ukuthi wonkhona ngalezo ngathi yini and then kube no standard 1 standard 2 ukuya phambili ke manje sekungama grade ke manje so ngazi ke wena ufita kuphi ke kuleso
Sub B.
It was sub B.
Okay, no, thank you. It is understandable. No, thank you, sir. I just wanted us to correct that misunderstanding.
Ngifuna nje silungise lokho.
Thank you. Let us then proceed. Yesterday, you had just been able to remember that one of the policemen who was in the vehicle that actually wherein you were put in after having been taken out of your house was Mr. Mohane, not so?
Izolo ke sigcine la khona ke ubusho khona ke elinye lamaphoyisa aye khona ke emotweni emuva kokuthi wakhishwa ke endlini ukuthi kwakumuhane.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Just a second. Thank you. And you say there were 4 police in the vehicle and you were the 5th one. Is that how
Ushilo ukuthi kunamaphoyisa amane emotweni wena wakwakho wawuwesihlanu wena.
I have 3 was 4 me.
No, there were 3. I was the 4th one.
Thank you. Then you said you were put in the motor vehicle. You were about to start to explain as to then what followed, then you were to adjourn for the day.
Ubusuzoqala ke manje ukuchaza ukuthi kwasekwenzekani ke emuva kokuthi ke usufakiwe ngaphakathi emotweni kwase kufanele ke noma kwase kuphela ke isikhathi ke sosuku lwayizolo.
Can you please proceed from there?
Singaqhubeka ukusuka lapho.
Sithema suka awasasiphuma endlini lapho engilala khona.
When we then left, we were about to depart because we were coming out of the house where I was sleeping.
Masiphuma siyongena emgwaqeni omkhulu osuke Naledi Mall sesibheke phezulu police station.
When we were about to get into the main road from Naledi Mall going up to the police station,
Bangiphenyela amantombazane la efonini babuza uthi ngiyawazi lamantombazane la.
they then went through or scrolled through the phone and showed me some ladies and asked me if I knew those ladies.
Just a second. Now, the phone. Whose phone was that?
Kwakuyifoni kaBani?
Tablet nje enkulu
Ekabani.
yamaphoyisa.
It was a big tablet belonging to the police.
Is that now that the gadget that you said that some white men, when you were found asleep, they put it on your chest?
Iyona le okhulume ngayo eqaleni othe uma bengena kunalomlungu oweza kuwena wafika wayibeka la esifubeni.
Yes.
No, it's not.
So this is a different one.
Kwakuyehlukile le.
Ngenye ifoni.
It was a different phone.
Thank you. I hear you talking about a tablet.
Uthe tablet.
Ifoni enkulu nje lama tablet la.
It's the bigger phones, as the witness is indicating, the bigger ones.
Vele qala ngathi ama Samsung yana.
They look or appeared like a Samsung.
Yes, you know, with us a tablet must is a police. But nonetheless, I think that's the modern language referring to these modernized phones. And then what happened thereafter? You said they then scrolled through the tablet and showed you certain pictures of certain ladies.
Uthi base bekubonisa ke lamantombazana lana.
Yebo wangibonisa.
Yes, they showed me.
Yes, and what did they say about those ladies?
Bethini ngabo?
Ngathi ngafe ngathi ngabangakithi. Wasibi.
I said to them that they are, in other words, they are a family. They are all from where I'm coming from, but they are from the Sibia family.
Yes. And do you have a recollection of the person or the police who I take it you were in a company exclusively of police, which is why I would say police. Who could this police who did that was?
Who took out this phone?
Yes.
Iphoyisa leli elakhipha le phone noma lakhipha le tablet likhombisa ke labasisi laba kwakubani?
Angawazi la leli ngalibamba ngokuthi nakhona mase beyongibeka ePrimrose ngalizo belibisi.
Okay. I didn't know the police officers, but for me to be able to remember this specific police officer, it was when they went to drop me in Primrose and then they mentioned him. That's how I could recall him.
Okay, proceed.
Ngaqhubeka.
Bathe ngibuza amantombazana ngabatshenti ngawasibi bangibuza uthi ahlalaphi ngathi ahlala ekhaya. Ngithe ngaqedi lokho wangijikela into engathi iplastic wangihamba ngapha engibophile ngapha.
I was asked as to whether I knew these ladies or as to where they were staying. I said yes, they were staying back home where I'm coming from. They are from the Sibia family. Just when I didn't finish saying that, then they put over something like a plastic over my head as I was handcuffed at the back.
Where were you seated in relation to the vehicle, the seat? Were you in the back passenger seat or were you in the front
Lana
passenger seat?
emotweni wawuhlezi phambili eduze komshayeli wawuhlezi emuva kule side le passenger wawuhlezi kuphi emotweni?
Ngangihlezi emuva ngiphethe indawo zakho ngihlezi kanje phakathi kwa driver nalo hlezi ngapha ngibambe kanje ozakho lona omunye ehlezi la lo wangifaka uplastic wehlezi la
left.
ya la wanje
Phakathi kwale hlale mbili lezi lapha lezi phambili.
Because ngibeka izandla ukuthi izandla zingathithi la estulweni.
I was seated at the back.
Yes.
In between the driver as well as the passenger.
Yes.
And then I made some space so as for my hands not to touch at the back. And the other one was seated on my left. The
Yes.
one that was seated at the back was on my left.
So you were seated at the back passenger, at the back seat of the vehicle, but you were leaning towards the portion of the driver and the passenger.
Ngendlela ohlezi ngayo uhlezi kodwa ke uze ungahlezanga ukuthi ngilele ngasemuva kodwa uze usondele la phakathi kuka driver ne passenger yakhe.
Yebo.
That is correct.
Thank you. this policeman that we have identified as Mohani, where was he in relation to the sitting arrangement in the vehicle?
Lona ke umshilo ukuthi kwakumuhane yena wayehlezi kuphi nendawo.
wayedrive imoto ebomvu.
He was driving, or the driver of the red vehicle.
Okay, thank you. Then proceed, Waripend. A
It's not
plastic
correct.
then gets thrown over your head, then Waripend.
Bangifasa ngathi mase ngifela lapha ngase Cambridge ngakhomba ukuthi ngiyadluthuza ngapha ngemva bawukhipha uplastic. Bathi hayi asambeni sizokhuluma phambili. Ngayitshela sizongena epolice station yase Force. Sangangena epolice Force azongena amasipala phezulu.
Masipala. Okay, mawuthi wabona ukuthi uyadluthuza ushithini ke?
Ngidluthuza kanye ngikhomba ukuthi ngiyacinana ngawo.
Alright.
Ngizama
Okay.
ukuthi ngiyaphamisa umoya.
What then happened is that they removed the plastic after they could see that I was sort of now making some movements, that this plastic was suffocating me. So I was making some movements behind, with my hands behind my back. And then as we were driving, I was under the impression that we were going to go or drive into the Fort Lauderdale police station, but we didn't, and then we passed and we went into some municipal place, Nangena Municipal,
Yebo masipala lokwehlanywa.
just a little bit up.
So you were suffocating. You were trying to gasp for air, which is the reason why you were struggling to move your head at the back, which is the reason why they took out the plastic.
Uthi ke ngokudluthuza lokho okushoyo ke ukuthi kwakuyindlela lapho yokukhombisa noma yokutshengisa ke ukuthi ke uplastic lona akuhlezi kahle noma ke uyakukhinya.
Awusawubuyisela umoya emuva.
Yeah.
Angisangakhona ukuphefumula.
I was now at the stage where I was unable to take my breath back. I was unable to breathe.
Yes. Thank you. Then you drive, you pass police station. There's a certain municipal area that you got into. Is that what you're saying?
Uthi ke nandlule police station nangena ke kule ndawo kamasipala.
Yebo.
That's
In the
correct.
space lapho.
Sorry.
In the space.
A spacious place, municipal area.
And do you know generally what that place is called?
Ingabe uyazi ukuthi ibizwani leyo ndawo leyo?
Ngazi ukuthi kwamasipala lapha.
I only know that it's a municipal area.
Okay, proceed. Then what happened?
Simaqhubeka.
Thema sifika kwamasipala, osithema beqeda ukungisusa lo plastic lo bangitshela ukuthi usazokhuluma wena. Ngabuza ukuthi ngizokhuluma ukuthini ngoba mina ngazi lutho.
Just after they removed that plastic, they said to me, "You are still gonna talk. You are going to talk." And then I was asking, "What is it that I'm going to talk?" Because I know nothing.
Basebeqala sebengibuza ukuthi ufika wafa kanjani uSenzo Meyiwa.
They then started asking me, "How did Senzo Meyiwa die?"
When that happened, you were still in the vehicle.
Ngisesemotweni ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Sesifikile kwamasipala manje.
Oh.
Angake ehle emotweni phansi.
We were, but by that time we were at the municipal area,
Yes.
but still inside the vehicle. I didn't alight it from the vehicle.
Okay, proceed.
Yeah.
Ngona nje ukuthi ngithi angifeva ngishibhola mina ngazana abadlali nje. Ibhola ngifeva mina. Ngithandele nje ibhola.
The mistake that I made, or the wrong thing that I made, was for me to say that I know nothing about football. I know nothing about soccer players.
Bathi angehle phansi.
They then instructed me to alight from the vehicle.
Ngehla phansi. Thema sengehlile bathi angihlale phansi ngenabe. Bengifaseka so.
Indeed, I alighted. When I alighted from the vehicle, I was instructed to sit down and seated in a position as well, in such a way that I stretch my legs.
Yes.
My legs are stretched out
Yes.
with my hands at the back.
Aphinda wasefika lokuthiwa nguthelezi ngoba nguye impela engambona into akayenza kimi. Nakho namanje ithini zakhona zozakhothi. Nazi. Wazongigcoba ozakhothi bengifase kanje wafaka i-boost part nendawo kanje. Basengipressa ngoplastic la. Lapha engaze ngalala khona ngabhuquza phansi bangiqobese kwe-drum egcwele amanzi. Akhuzwa konke la. Nazi ingalo zakhona. Na. Tabangila khona phansi ngikhumbula i-Avalon.
What then happened, Buthelezi is the one that then came to me with my handcuffs, where my hands were at the back.
Yes.
And then with the boots, booted feet that he had, or the boots that he had on, he then pressed his feet or his boots on the handcuffs that I had. And then I rolled down, and the witness took out his jacket to indicate that there are still some marks visible on his arm. As well as on his wrist, as a result of the wrist as a result of the handcuffs.
Okay. You're saying, as I understand you, you're saying
So
As
Mr.
you-
Minister also mentioned something that I was also kicked
Yes.
like a drum
Drum,
that is
yeah.
filled with water.
Okay, now thank you. My Lord, may I request to approach this witness just to go and have a look at the injuries that is mentioning, my Lord, so that I should also be in the know as to what specifically should be put on record, my Lord. Thank you. Thank you.
yebo ngizula phansi kuney'tinda phansi bengigqoke so ngihamba ngezingozi kanje bengigqoka kanje phansi ngozi bakhona ngabe ngifase ngabe yogqoke ngaphandle azi yizo lezi ngangiphuzuka kuzo le
Thank you for the indulgence, my Lord.
yes
I'm going to request that Mr. Jonas actually puts on record. Well, I don't know if he's in a position to do that, my Lord, but I'm going to request that which the witness has indicated to be the nature of the injuries that is sustained as a result of the treatment that he has already described now be put on record, my Lord.
Yeah, fine, no problem.
Yes. I don't know how are we going to do that, my Lord. Because I
It's
don't want
actually
to
done by the interpreter,
Yes,
always.
I don't want to testify myself.
Counsel doesn't do it. I
Yes.
just kept quiet because things happen in this court.
Yes, my Lord.
The job of the, otherwise counsel must give evidence.
Yes, yes.
Thank you. The
Yeah.
witness, my lord, took out his, or on the left side of his arm,
Right.
the left arm, there is a mark. I cannot tell in centimeters. I wasn't good in maths, my lord. There's a mark on his left hand, which he says it was as a result of being kicked, and he also made mention of a drum filled with water. That's how he was kicked.
Is it a left forearm or left arm?
It is just on the side of the arm, not the forearm, my lord, and left arm.
Okay, right?
We are suggesting, my Lord, that we measure that scar because it's a very big
yes.
scar.
Use your
Yes.
fingers.
I'm
Just about a centimeter.
Okay.
I don't know where the court orderlies are here, my Lord. Because normally we would have court orderlies to assist with the movement of items here.
Where's the court order?
Oh, okay. So, in the meantime, we can use our. I think it can be measured in terms of its width, which is the breadth and the length. I think Mr. Jonas has
We
got
are
a
both,
problem with the
I did
eyesight.
history, not maths.
History. Now that is, there should be breadth and there should be length.
Length is 4 centimeters. The breadth is 2 centimeters.
Okay.
Thank you. And there is also a scar that you showed around your wrist area. No, it's really, that's a terrible scar. It's a terrible scar.
Okay. 1.5 centimeters. That's the one, the little one on the right hand wrist of the witness.
Okay.
Is it please the court, my lord? I must say I've also been able to see it. The injury on the left arm. It's a the scar. The scar is a very horrible one, my lord. I think I also need to put that on record. Thank you. You were then rolled on the. What type of a surface was it?
La phansi njengoba uthi ke wawuqinqa ke nje kwakuyindawo enjani la phansi?
Fakwe idini phansi.
There were bricks. So it was a brick surface,
So
Idini concrete.
as well as concrete.
so it was a pavement.
Well, ilokubizwa ngokuthi pavement. That's correct.
Thank you. Now, if you can estimate the rolling from where you're standing, you were rolled to what distance?
Uma ngaba ke manje usungaqala ke njengoba uthi nje wawuqinqa njengomgomo. Asisebenzise le ndawo umi kuyona. Angithi asiyiboni leya indawo. Sisebenzise le esibonayo ke manje. La umi khona ke ungathi umuqala ke waqinqa ke ukuthi ibanga elingakanani ukusuka la ungagcina kuphi isebenzise nje leli gumbi lethu.
Bangirola indawo kusuka la mhlombeni yanginga ukuthi lo wesibili lapha.
Okay, from where I'm standing, where the witness is standing, up to where the Dr. Sibanda is seated.
Ngoba kuze bengirole akade bengifaka uplastic bengigxolela ngisho ukuthi ikhathi ngidluthuza ngalala ngabheka phezulu waqhasha lo plastic lo. Mase kufuneke ngivuke phansi angisakhona ukuvuka izandla ifaswe ngapha ngemuva.
Okay, because what happened when this plastic was put over me, the position was that I was now facing upwards. I was on my back facing upwards. And then when this plastic burst, I could now not get up.
Thank you. Let's try to get the distance first. You're saying it was from you to where Advocate Sibande is seated. No?
Yeah.
Let us try to estimate the distance. From my look, my lord, I think it will be plus minus 5 to 6.
Yes, yeah,
5 meters, yes. Thank you, my lord. Right, and then you were saying, just come again with that explanation as we were rolling and then the plastic bursted. Before we get that, when you get rolled on that pavement area, you said they were rolling you like a drum full of water. Were they using feet to do that? What is it that they were?
Yini le babesebenzisana nanjengoba ushobe ukuthi ke wawuqinqa ke nanjengomgqomo ogcwele amanzi babesebenzisa inyawo noma babesebenzisana
Babesebenzisa inyawo.
feet, they were using feet.
Oh, okay. Like they were kicking you, they were pushing you with their feet.
Indlela leyo ababekuginqa ngayo noma bekhahlela ngayo,
Bengikhahlela ngayo. Beshaya
kicking me, and the witness is making an indication from up downwards.
Yes.
From the top downwards movement. That's how they were kicking me.
That is basically tramping
But
over you.
Yeah,
that's correct. Tramping on.
Thank you. At the same time pushing you as you're rolling around.
Begqoba futhi ke bephusha ukuthi njengoba manje uginqeka nje. That's correct.
Were they saying anything as that was happening?
Njengoba kwenzeka noma nanjengoba kwakwenzeka lokhu kukhona ababekusho.
Basebengibuza ukuthi lo umuzi wayekuphi ngosuku lokufaka Senzo Meyiwa. Bengishaya lokho ngimtshela ukuthi nangazana Meyiwa angifeva ngisho ibhola ngilazi bayena ngaqala umkhombisa yibo Senzo Meyiwa angimazi mina.
They were asking me as to Moses' whereabouts on the day of Senzo Meyiwa's death. And then I told them that I know nothing about football. I do not know soccer players. I only got to know him when they showed me. I didn't know him.
Right. With the rolling business. As they were rolling you, like that drum which is full of water, where was the plastic?
Ngalesikhathi ke beginqa njengaleli drum leli ke eligcwele amanzi uplastic lo wawukuphi wona?
Mina ngapha mase ngimanzi de wa plastic ungekho sebengithela ngamanzi.
When I woke up, I was like in wet. The plastic was no longer there. They poured water on me.
Well, what do you mean when you say when you woke up? Well, was there a stage where you passed out or what?
Uma uthi umuphaphama ingabe sikhona la isikhathi khona wawungazazi nje noma wawungazi ukuthi kwenzekani kwena uma ukhuluma ngokuphaphama kusho ukuthini ukhuluma ngokuphaphama
ngathi mangicela mangiphathi ngade ngirola bewufaka lo plastic ngayigcina lapho wawungifeyitayo.
The last I checked was when I was on the floor and then the plastic put over me and I was like someone who had fainted.
Okay. I understand. They rolled you. There was a stage where you just pass out. You don't know what happened in the process of you passing out, and then the moment you regained your consciousness again, you say, well, what was your state?
Uthi ke mase uphaphama futhi kwakwenzekani?
Mangiphaphama bangaphaphama sengimanzi sebengithele ngamanzi.
I was wet then.
Isigubhu. Okay, doctor mabhena lapho. Gama lakho. Mabhena nomubani.
When I woke up,
Yena
or when
ngamanzi wephethe isigubhu esi5 liter.
when I regained consciousness, I was wet, and the person that had a 5 liter with him, with water, it was Mabena. He's the one who poured water on me.
Thank you. Now let us take a step back. There were 4 police in the vehicle that took you from the place where they took you from to this area that you say it's a municipal area. Were there any other people there except yourself, the 4 police in whose company you were? Were there any other vehicles or any other people? In fact, 3. You were taken by 3. You were the 4th one in that vehicle. Were there any other vehicles there? Were there any other people at this place where you say you were trampled over, rolled like a drum that was full of water?
Manje ke kule ndawo lena kaMasipala la ekwenzeka khona yonke lento ishoyo manje. Ushilo ukuthi emotweni wahamba namaphoyisa amathathu uwesine wena. Ingaba kwakuyinina noma i4 kuphela noma babe khona abanye abantu ababe khona kuleyo ndawo leyo.
Babe khona abangamaphoyisa abesilandela ngemuva.
There were other police officers who were following us from behind.
So just try to give us a clear picture as to, upon your arrival there, when you were requested to get out of the vehicles, were they already at the scene, or what was the position?
Manje ke lamaphoyisa ayenilandela ngasemuva. Uma ngabe nifika lapha yana, nimisa imoto lena nihamba ngayo, usutshela ukuthi ke phuma emotweni wena ke, ingaba babe sebe lapho yini noma lamaphoyisa ayenilandela ngasemuva. Nafika esekhona lapha enilindile noma
Afika nathi sathi masifika angehle emotweni nawe esefikile sekhona la vele. Ngehle emotweni sebebonke la.
They arrived at the same time as us. When our vehicle stopped and I was instructed to get out of the vehicle, they were already there.
Thank you. So the fact that you requested to step out of the vehicle, you made to sit on the pavement with your stretched legs, whilst your cuffed hand were at the back, and Buthelezi start to trample over the cuffs. That happens in the full view of all the police that were there.
Ngathi kwenzeka konke lokho imoto yeni iyema mayifika lapho usutshela ukuthi phuma uhlale phansi kanjena ozankosi bengasemuva uButhelezi ekunyathela la kozankosi konke lokho kwenzeka ekhona amanye amaphoyisa la. Yes.
Thank you. Let's talk a bit about this Buthelezi. You had said that in the vehicle that you were requested to get into from your place, you only could remember one person who you later on identified as Mr. Mokhane, and also who was driving the said vehicle.
Asesikhulume nje kancane ke ngalo Buthelezi lona uthi ke lapha yana nathi ngoba wena ke ogibele kule moto lena umshayeli wayo le moto wena ogibele kuyona lo othi uMohane.
Yebo.
Yes.
Yes. Now this Buthelezi who's trampling over the cuffs that were cuffing you, was he also a passenger in the same vehicle or he was using a different vehicle?
Manje ke uButhelezi lona ke ingabe naye wayegibele kule moto le wena ohamba ngayo noma wayehamba ngenye imoto yena?
wayehamba ngenye yena waqala ukungishaya police station lena kuzake kwamasipala yena laba ngigibele kuyuye engimshoyo ukuthi angimazi ukuthi wawungibani wayengifake ikhava emotweni.
He was in a different vehicle. He started assaulting me there at the municipal area. The one that I'm saying I don't know is the one that I was with in the vehicle who had put the plastic over me.
Thank you. This Buthelezi, from your observation, was he a part of this? Was he a police or he was something else?
uButhelezi lona ke ngaba wayeyiphoyisa noma wayeyokunye nje?
wayeyiphoyisa wayegqoke lezi ayigqoka manje akho ama traffic cop.
He was a police officer. He was wearing a traffic clothes or uniform.
Now that is getting better. You're saying he was amongst the police, but he was wearing traffic cop uniform.
Uthi ke wayeyiphoyisa kodwa efake lezi ama traffic cop.
wafika egqoka ama traffic cop.
On his arrival there, he was wearing traffic cop uniform.
Yeah. The reason why I'm asking you this is because this description is pretty simple. We will get to that. But are you then able to describe him, his appearance and stuff like that? Were there any distinguishing features with him that you would say, with this feature, I'll never go wrong, it was definitely him?
Ingabe kukhona nje okodwa ongakusho okhumbulayo ngaye uthi yabona ngalokho ngimkhumbula ngalokho uma nje umchaza yena?
Okanjani mhlombeni nkosikaTolo okuye emzimbeni ngoba kuningi engikukhumbulayo?
There's quite a lot that I remember, so specifically how?
Yes, I mean his description, whether in his body, how he looked like, whether his color, skin complexion and all those things.
Kuye nje ngaye nje uma khona nje ngomzimba wakhe mhlambi ke ngobuso bakhe nje into oyikhumbulayo ngaye.
Ufaka izinyo unesikhumba esinamachafazi.
Uma uthi ufaka izinyo
legolide.
Okay, he's got gold insertion.
Yes.
And his skin is not like in clear. He's got some dotted skin. There are some dots on his skin.
Yeah, I want you to explain this dotted skin. How did it look like? Kibeke nje qaqe ungasabi. When you say he had a dotted skin, what?
Uma uthi nje lana ke kunamachaphaza akhe la kuyena usho ukuthi
Mnyama yena upofu la. Mhlophe.
he is dark. He's dark skinned,
Yes.
but then he's got there's some light. There's some light, and then the witness is pointing to the hands.
Yes.
He's light in his hands.
Yes. And there is something about the mouth that you also demonstrated.
Lana uthini la?
Mhloshanyana la.
A bit lighter here.
On the
witness
lips.
pointing on the lips, the upper lips.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a Buthelezi who testified here at court at length with regard to the arrest of accused number 1 in a trial within a trial. And he also gave testimony that he's been involved with the investigating team in this case, has been assisting them with clearing the road, but specifically also with the arrest of accused number 1. And it basically fits that description. I don't know whether it's that one, but from what you're saying, that description that you're saying, it exactly fits him.
On what basis is counsel saying that he is fitting the description that's given by witness?
As it pleases the court, my lord. I'm sorry. I can't give evidence. I withdrew that. You're saying with a description, and he was wearing a traffic cop uniform. So basically, he was a traffic cop.
Manje ke ngaloko kushoyo umchaza ukuthi waye kanjani uyashoka ukuthi ke wayefake ke umfaniswano wama traffic noma ke nje ugqoke uniform yama traffic. Angithi manje umchazile ukuthi waye kanjani la ebusweni kodwa uthi kuwona konke lokho wayefake uniform yama traffic.
Yeah, le jacket yakho.
That's
Thank you.
correct, as well as a jacket,
Yeah.
traffic jacket.
Thank you. Now you're saying when you woke up, when you regained your consciousness again, you realized that you were wet all over your body and Mabena had something in his hand. What is it that he had?
Uthi ke yini nanjengoba usho ke uthi ke mase uphaphama futhi ke wathola ukuthi ke umanzi uthuma bhena wayiphetheni la ke
So 5 liter.
he was carrying a 5 liter call it a gallon or container. He had a 5 liter container with him.
Yes, thank you. And then what happened?
Kwase kwenzekani?
Now you have regained your consciousness.
Ngase-
You realize
ngase-
that, Kahleke, you realize that your clothes are wet, and then what happened?
Uyaphaphama uyabona ukuthi umanzi kwase kwenzekani emva kwalokho.
Ngase ngakhala kakhulu ngoba imoto ayiseyirobotini yazi yama wayimisa le umuntu imoto wabuye wazolunguza. Basho ukuthi nangu lo umuntu uyalunguza wemoto lapha. Bangithatha bangifaka emotweni. Banami ezathi emathuni lapha bangishaya khona bazashaya u4 ekseni.
I cried out loud up until a particular vehicle stopped. It was just up the robot. They even said that and then that person peeped through or looked out. They said that there's someone that is looking. They took me, put me in the vehicle, took me up or down to the cemetery. That's where they assaulted me up until 4 in the morning.
Thank you. Just before we go to the next scene, that municipal area, are you able to describe that municipal area? The reason why I'm saying this is simply because this place of a municipal area, which is situated at Phosphorus, also featured a lot in this trial, where certain things happened there. So I want you to give a description and a location, try the best that you can, just to give a description and location of exactly where that place is in relation to the police station, Phosphorus police station if you know it, and other shops there at the Phosphorus.
Manje ke le ndawo okhuluma ngayo kaMasipala indawo ongayichaza yini ongayisho yini ukuthi ikanjani. Isizathu sokuthi ke ngikubuze lokho ingoba ke kona ke uqhulo kwalecala phambi kwalenkantolo kukhulunyweka kakhulu ke ngayo indawo eseFoslotas indawo kaMasipala ingabe indawo mhlasimpe eseduze nepolice station uma kuukuthi ayazi police station eseFoslotas kunezitolo ezikhona lapha ungayichaza noma uyisho le ndawo.
Iseduze nepolice station. Ipolice station ngezazi yona Masipala ungehle.
It is close to the police station. This police station is the police station is just further down, and this place is further up. The municipal area is further up.
Ehlawa khona masuba ne Shoprite ne KFC.
Just up from that place, there's a ShopRite as well as a KFC.
No Pep.
Pep.
Ezingasayikhumbula izitolo zakhona.
I can't remember the other shops.
Thank you. No, it really takes no particular intelligence to realize what place are you referring to.
Akusona ke manje into ukuthi ke engaba nzima ke ukuthi manje umuntu abese uyayithola ukuthi yiphi le ndawo okhuluma ngayo.
Yeah. No, thank you. You cried out very loud. Then some person then had to stop his vehicle. Then what happened to that person? Did he come to you, or he just stopped, peeped, and then went away?
Uyashoka ukuthi wasukhala kakhulu ke kwanale moto ke emayo lapha emarobotini wase eyalunguza ke lo muntu. Ingabe walunguza nje wabe eseyahamba noma walunguza waphuma weza la owawukhona wena?
Akezanga kimi walunguza nje wabona ukuthi umuntu oshalayo lo yana wabuya ehambela.
No, that person never came to where I was. The person just stopped, peeped through and saw that that was someone that was being assaulted and left.
Thank you. Then immediately after, and then they said to you, yeah, no, there's a person that is also looking at you there. Is that what you said happened?
Base bethi bona ke manje kunomuntu obonayo lapha yana noma kunomuntu olunguzayo. Uthi ba-
Yebo.
Yes.
And immediately them having said that there's a person who's able to see, then what happened?
Emuva kokuthi bekushilo lokho kwase kwenzekani.
Bangithatha ngoba bangidosa nje kanje ngesandla ngapha ngakhona ukusukuma mina phansi. Ngangicala ukufaza ngoza kuthi empilweni yami. Bangibamba bangiphamisa kanje ngemuva, bangena emotweni, bangifaka emotweni. Baphuma, bangangikhethi siyaphi.
They took me because it was the first time that handcuffs were put in my entire life, put on me on my entire life. They took me, the witness indicated, in other words, picking me up, put me in the vehicle
Yes.
without telling me as to where we were going.
Now, did they put you in the same vehicle that had brought you to this scene that I've just described now?
Bakufaka kuleya moto owawuze ngayo lapha yana.
Yebo.
Yes.
And Mokhane was still the driver?
Yebo.
Yes.
And the sitting arrangement was as is when you arrived there. It means all the passengers in the vehicle were exactly the same passengers,
Nanisahlezi ngaleya ndlela ngamagama. Yes.
right? Then you drive out of that place that I say it takes no particular intelligence for everybody to realize what place is it and then what happened.
Uthi ke naphuma ke kuleyo ndawo leyo kwase kwenzekani?
Sahamba sangasishona phansi eChristian Mall.
We then went down as if we were going down to Krizani Mall.
Sathathu left. Baze basafesa ngena emathuneni phakathi. Afike bangehlisa khona ke emathuneni phakathi.
We then took a left turn and then drove into the cemetery. That's where they then made me, in other words, took me out of the vehicle there at the cemetery.
Thank you. Now, I'm not so sure if you were able to estimate what time could it have been when you were treated the way in which you were treated there by the municipal area.
Angazi noma ungakhona yini ukuthi ukaleke ukuthi mhlambe ke noma mhlasimpe isikhathi ke okusikhathi sini ngathi kwenzeka konke lokho kwakwenzeka kwenake lapha yakwamasipala.
Kodwa yena u12 wayeseshaya mhlawumbe ku12 to 1 ebusuku.
It was already 12 midnight, 12 going towards 1.
Oh, all these things are happening at night.
Ebusuku lezi zinto zenzeka ebusuku.
Thank you.
At night, yes.
Now you drove, you arrived there at the cemetery, and then what happened?
Nafika ke nahamba nase nifike emathuneni kwenzekani?
Masifika emathuneni bafike bangehlisa. Bangitshela ukuthi bakhuluma nefoni, kodwa bekhuluma naye ngefoni, bathe yazi lo muntu lona akafuni ukukhuluma iqiniso.
Okay. Well, upon arrival there, taken out of the vehicle, and then they were speaking to someone over the phone, saying that this person doesn't want to tell the truth.
Now, before you proceed, what was the position in relation to the other vehicle who you said were also part of the process there at the municipal area? Did they follow you or they took different direction as you drove to the cemetery?
Manje ke ezinye imoto lezi nanjengoba ushilo ukuthi ayekhona abanye amaphoyisa lapha yana kwamasipala. Uma senihamba ke niya lapha emathuneni, nazo ke zanilandela ukuya emathuneni noma ke zona zani zinilandela?
Ziningabi zasilandela.
There were quite a lot of them. They followed us.
Thank you. Now you're at a cemetery. Somebody is talking over the phone. Is saying, "This person does not want to talk the truth." Then what happened?
Bayakhuluma ke lapha nalomuntu abakhuluma naye ukuthi lo muntu akafuni ukukhuluma iqiniso kwase kwenzekani?
Bangishaya.
They assaulted me.
Bangishaya ngaze ngathula lapha ngeke ukhala.
They assaulted me up to a stage where I just kept quiet. I stopped crying.
Isikhathi engaze ngasibona ngathi seku4 ku20:4 sisibuze police station sebebhala phansi police station bengishutha lapha police station sebengishutha wathi ngathi mangifike ePrimrose ngabuza kumuntu engangifika kuye emaselini ngabuza ukuthi ubani isikhathi wathi u5 o'clock wathi uqhamuka lapho namfowethu ngamchazela.
When I took note of the time, it was at the police station when I was now being formally charged. and it was about 20 past 4. And then when I also asked someone there in Primrose what time it was, and then the person said to me it was 5 o'clock. Then the person asked me where I was coming from, and I told the person.
Thank you, my lord. I think it's opportune time for us to take a short adjournment, my lord. I think that will also give me some moment just to calm down, because I'm not a protagonist of torture, my lord. So as he's testifying, I think it also affects me as well. But let us take a short adjournment, my lord.
Yes. 15 minutes.